Hello YouTube. I haven't been about for a long time, at least a month, because I have broken my back. Well, fractured a vertebrae. Fractured and crushed it. So coming back slowly but surely. So gonna have a look, see what is happening. Got some cabbages coming, beetroot, Christmas potatoes, Charlotte, 2 rows of Charlotte, no 3 rows of Charlotte, well 2.5, and then some Maris Pipers. We had a bit of a storm. It's all blown the bean frame. All this is coming back nicely, look. This needs cutting back, look. Got the badgers doing their business, digging it all up. It's all overgrown there, look, with dock leaves. Got me parsnips, swede, cherry tomatoes, carrots, more tomatoes which are gone over. Looks like some potatoes are coming. Possibly, oh no, are they potatoes? No, they're tomatoes, aren't they? Cabbages are looking good. On the sprouts, don't know what this black stuff is. On that one, these they look alright there, look. And that one. Got a butternut squash over there. And a pumpkin, look. I think I need to pick that. But more badger digging. It's all overgrown, look at that. That's a strawberry patch, all overgrown. This bit here. Got some peppers on the pepper plants. And some spring onions, look. It's quite warm in here, which is good. Getting there slowly. Ow, ow. Yeah, all this is grown up, that. The hops is all mixed in with the honeysuckle. And I forget what the yellow flowers are. All of this, look. I did come the other day just to have a look and pick some of the apples. There's only a few left, look. Do like the sea holly. Oh. There's the ow, ow, ow. There's an onion there. Right then, YouTube. Cut the grass. Put the wildlife camera out and pick some veg. With the help of my dad, which is very good. Anyway, YouTube, just a quick one today. See you next week. Bye.